Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a cat. Let's start with head first. Draw a circle. Draw an ellipse at the bottom of the circle. Draw an outline over the circle and ellipse. Draw a vertical line to make center line. Draw a horizontal line to split the ellipse. Draw nose. Draw mouth. Draw eye sockets. Draw eyes. Draw eyebrows. Draw ears. Draw a jagged line for fur. Draw U shape below head for the body shape. Draw a jagged line for fur. Draw legs. Draw legs. Draw tail. Draw a jagged line for fur. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.